Hi guys, welcome to Inspiredfingers.net once more. My name is Okposo for the records, and today I just want to take you back in time to some drills I did way back 2016, 2015, but I never uploaded them on YouTube or even on social media at all. So I want to upload them, or I will be uploading them after this video. I'm just kind of giving a preamble to those videos that I'll be sharing. Thankfully, they were recorded using the MIDI keys. That's the meticulous software I was using way back then. So but before we go there, I hope you love my new setup. Please let me know in the comment section. All right, so the drill is all about you playing the major chord, the minor chords, and the diminished chord in their root position, first inversion, second inversion, using the circle of chords. So what do I mean by this? For instance, you're playing the major chords in the root position using the circle of chords. What you do is that you start from the key of C, because we love starting at the key of C. So you play the C major chord in root position, go to F major chord, B flat major chord, E flat major, A flat, D flat, G flat or F sharp, B, E, A, D, G, and finally C. That's what you do. If you're playing the minors, you just, give their equivalents, and just like that. So that's what the drill is about. Like, we did it, or rather I did it on different, using different inversions as well as, the root positions. So that's just basically it. So for those of us that don't know much about the circle of chord, let me just explain what the circle of chord means, so that when you're going through the drill, it will be easy for you to go through those drills. So the circle of chords is basically you going in fourths. That's what it literally means. So for instance, you're starting from C. What you want to do is you want to use the number system and just count up the C major scale up to the fourth, which is C is 1, D is 2, E is 3, and F is 4. Yes, because F is the fourth note of the key of C major. Alright, so after getting to that F, you now assume that F is your new key, which is going to be the 1 right now. Then we'll now say, okay, using the F major scale, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 on the F major scale. So F is 1, G is 2, A is 3, and B flat is 4. So now B flat will be your new 1, and you count using the B flat major scale. So B flat is 1, C is 2, D is 3, and E flat is 4. So you assume that E flat is your new key. And let's just come down here, because no one will be going up the keyboard there. So E flat is your new 1. So you keep on doing that same, or following the same procedure. You get to A flat, same procedure, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is D flat. So we just come down here, because no one will be going up there. So you just keep using the same procedure till you get back to C again. And what will take you back to C is actually G. So if G is your new 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's C. You understand? So all together, it's been long I did that. Okay, so don't mind me making some mistakes there. So that's just basically it. And I'll be sharing those videos with you. Thank God, like I said, it's recorded using the MIDI keys, so you will see all the notes and everything, so that you'll be able to practice alongside with me. Alright, don't mind my sloppiness and whatever. It's a long, or an old video rather. Thank you so much for watching this, and please just let me know about my new setup. Please let me know about it so that I can improve things for you. Thank you and goodbye.